Whoa! Whoa! Oh, what? No braking yet. I'm trying. Oh! Hey, what's up everyone? ICRC83 here. Just trying to show these off here while they're nice and clean. Got these from Harold, who did an amazing job not only repairing them, but he added the nice touch of cleaning them. Look how clean that is. All these are looking super sharp. Look at that. This guy's like polishing them. Even these tire walls, they look brand new. He fixed them all up. After bash day, these took a beating. They were all three broken. So I also broke my Kagama. I've already fixed that. But he did a number on these, cleaned them all up, and worked on them. I told him this morning that I need to take a break. I don't want to dirty these. But you know what? Gotta dirty them. Let's go bash this thing. I also want to bash them for another reason. He put on this fix here that Big Al's RC, his channel, put these out as a really good fix. I've heard really good things about it not breaking the arm and popping out the pin, bending the pin, which has been a very common problem for me, constantly happening. So today will be kind of a test to see, do these hold? Do the arms break? Do the pins bend? We'll see. You guys know how I bash, so I'm not going to take it easy. For anyone wondering how you do that and what the method is, I'll definitely put a link in the description of Big Al's Extreme RC. He's the guy I think who originally came up with this, and it's a really good trick. But it's basically these hose clamps, and you just put them around the arm back here where the slot is, right here, and up to the bulkhead, and that's supposed to prevent the two from pulling apart. So I haven't been out here since bash day, which was last weekend. That was really fun. If you guys haven't seen that video, definitely come check that out on my channel. It's a huge event, and happens a few times a year. Going good so far. This has got an SMC battery in it. These things are nice. Oh. Oh. Woo. Nice. This truck's so nice. Oof. Wheelied right before the jump there. Slammed into the face of it. Here we go. Let's see, any broken arms yet? Nothing yet. So far, passing the test. Thing's a beast. Ooh, nosedive. What I really like doing is landing flat, and then when the front of the truck bounces up, I ride a little wheelie. Whoa! That was better than a wheelie. See that? Harold's on his way. So if I want to be able to drive while he's here, I better stop. So Harold has arrived.
Yes, sir.
He didn't bring a truck, unfortunately, but he did bring himself.
We're working in many different cars, so mine are down, but
you fixed mine, but yours are broken. That's the way it usually goes, right? Ooh. Nice. Yeah. Boom.
I see it going for broke.
Watch out. Watch out.
Yeah.
You're in the landing zone here. Woo. I don't want to hit Harold.
Oh yeah. Go for it, don't worry.
Ah! Nicked it. Hard with these narrow ones. There we go. Around the corner. Beast. Let's go for the long jump. Nice. Nice. Sailing. Sailing with the wind. Ooh. This not holding back today here.
Oh yeah, I see that for sure.
Woo! No brake. No braking yet. I'm trying.
Oh, you trying that?
I'm trying. It's not happening. Ooh. Wow. It's a great car, this EXB. I love it. So when I jumped the long jump, the winning jump was past this bump. All these are landing like right here, full speed, but with that one, it was like way back here somewhere, because I'm pretty sure it like might have bounced off of that dirt pile. So look how, I don't know how far that is, but woo, that's long. I gotta measure this one day. So this thing's still going strong. I'm trying to double that. Oh, went off to the side. Whoa! Oh, what was that? Whoa! Oh! I did a double front flip. That was insane. Oh, I am. I can do that because I got a mechanic right here. Nose plant. Oh. I mean, how much abuse can one RC take? Ah! Wow. Top came off. The battery's loose.
Battery dead?
It's just the strap came off. That's taking some hits, huh? I'd say this mod is doing pretty well. Well, now that I know that I got a mechanic on hand, I can break it anytime I want. Right?
That's a good one.
Woo-hoo. Love this truck. Dialed in. Oh, battery died. Battery died. Did you bring your temp thermometer? I didn't bring mine. This thing's probably hot. It is pretty warm out here. Ah, broke the thing. Ooh, that's super hot. Better stop. That's a hottie.
I think that's the next one that you're gonna upgrade the fans.
Yeah, that's the next. Yeah, I should do that next for sure. Put one of those rocket fans or something on there.
Yeah.
All right, so this battery is the one that died on us, but this battery's awesome. It's the SMC 7600 high cycle life, and what's really cool about it is it's 150C rating, so super punchy. It's big though, it's gigantic, and you know, it got pretty hot. It's a little warped right now actually, so it's a soft-ish case. But as long as it's still good, this thing is my best battery for sure. Not cheap. And then this EXB here, there is a newer version out, for those of you that don't know, where it's got the clipless body and not too many other differences, a couple other differences on it. But if you want one of those, I'll put a link in the description for it. It's a awesome truck, really good. It's one of my favorites. So we're gonna get out. Harold is nice enough to let me borrow one of his batteries so I can get a little more run time out of this and see if those back arms end up breaking. We'll see. All right, Harold, what do you think? We're gonna break this thing?
What you have to do more crazy than what you did already.
I know, right? What else could I do? Nice. Cruise missile. Long range, ballistic. That top's giving me trouble. Ha! That was dumb. I couldn't pull it up. If that didn't break. Look at the divot. Whoa, still going.
Been a chunk of the whole, right?
Yeah. Blind landing. Oh, almost hit the pole. That was close. Oh. Yee. That was a hard hit. Yep, that did it. So that's a real test of that fix. Not that that's why I did that, but okay, dog bone's out. The arms are not broken. That's amazing. So that's the true test right there. Arms are good. Oh yeah, it popped out. Yeah. Well, it's okay. So a little section there popped off. Yep. Interesting. Well, that was a super hard hit. So
yeah,
I think
that was a good testing.
Something was bound to transfer the weight, you know, the power, and come out the other side.
You gotta see how bad it is.
All right, guys, thanks for watching. This turned out really well. Took a beating and only broke through brute force, but it didn't even break where those clamps are. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.